Hello, so this is Gboard from Google. It's called Google Keyboard. And one of the feature I would like to share today is Google Translate. So first I'm going to open the keyboard by typing something. So to go into Translate feature, you have to tap these four dots, which is on the left hand corner. And then there's a feature called Translate, right? If you hit that, you get a selection of your language. So current language is English. It should detect English. If it doesn't detect, just use the language and then here you can choose a different language. From I've just chosen German, but you can choose a different language. Okay, so we are going to type nearest train station. So I'll just type nearest train station, and here right in the browser is just so you can show this to somebody and then they will answer you. So that's a really cool feature right from the keyboard. So very simple. Just open your keyboard by suppose if you want to type something, and then the four dots here will bring the menu. One of the feature from that menu is translate, and use the translate feature. That's it. Thank you very much.